Want to edit a video like that and that too on your mobile? If yes, this video is for you. Hello folks, welcome back to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video editing tutorial, and today I am going to present you a video editor for Android mobile. With this video editor you can create high quality professional videos directly on your mobile. Let's get started, and for that you will require to download Vlog Elf editor on your mobile. Click on the link in description and pin comment for the same. I have already downloaded the app, so let's open it. Here we are on the app now. It has simple and very easy interface to get started with. At top it welcomes with greetings. And then we have option to select a video clip. And here are materials such as stickers, subtitles, fonts, effects, filters and transitions. In this app you will have so many options to choose from. Now here are video editing controls such as crop, capture, merge, mosaic, split, canvas and subtitles. And then at below we have album where our video drafts are available. Let's get started with the video editing. Tap on clip to select a video. Selected one clip and click on next. You can have a little preview here. Click on music to add audio. Here we have so many music options from various categories. We can also choose local music from our device as well. Selected one and click on add to add it to video. We can also adjust it to match video length, can trim, change speed, delete or add fade effect as well. Let's add some text to video. Click on text. We can also change text style. There are so many options to choose from. We can change colors as well. Thereafter we can adjust the size of text and move it to where we want to place it on our video. Now we can add stickers as well. Here we have so many choices available. Let's choose this butterfly one, then move and adjust it on video. You can add any of them available here. We can also adjust the duration for a sticker by simply dragging it. We can also add picture in picture, doodle effect and add watermark to video as well. We can add dynamic effects. See, we have many effects available over here. I just love them. You should also give it a try. If you want to, check the link in description and pin comment for the video editor and download it now. Now after adding it to video, we can also adjust and move it on timeline. We can add filters as well. Here also we have so many choices available. We can have a preview by simply tapping on a filter, and if you like that, can add it to video. Can also adjust filter effect by dragging this slider. Here I am adding some more transition effects and dynamic effects. You can also add as many as you want to. We can also change video resolution from here, from wide to portrait or change back to original. Here also we have many choices available. Thereafter tap on adjust to change brightness contrast of video. We can also choose a cover for our video from here. We can also add credits at the end of video. Simply tap on add credits to add. Thereafter we can add or edit text to whatever we want. Editing it to WM Originals creations. We can move and adjust text by tapping on it. Now once we are done with editing, we can extract our video by tapping on export. And here we have choices to choose video resolution 1080p, 720p and 480p. Tap on 1080p to get high quality output. It starts extracting video, and once done we can have a preview of it. This is how easy it is to edit a video using Vlog Elf video editing and video editor. I will recommend you to try it out, and if you want to, check the link in video description and pin comment. This is what I had in this video. Hope you liked it and was useful for you. Do like and share this video. Also share your feedback in comments, and as promised, this is not the last video on video editors. I will soon come up with more. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to WM Originals. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you all in the next video.